Hello friends, come join us for a fun playground adventure.
Yay, let's play on the slides. Wait, Henit, let's explore everything together.
Wow kids, look at this fun playground. Today we learn and play together.
Wait, Henit, let's plan the games first.
Good idea, Mahi.
I can go higher than Mahi. Henit, don't push too hard.
Balance and control, kids. That's how we swing safely.
Okay, slow and safe.
Sit properly, legs forward. Whee, this is fun.
Henit, watch me. I will slide safely. I will copy you.
Slow and steady, Henit. Safety first.
But I want to be fast. Henit, control your steps. Look at your hands. Okay, I will try slowly.
Keep your eyes straight. Balance is key.
Almost fell.
See, Henit? Concentrate and step carefully.
I'm learning. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Ready or not? I'm coming. Shh. Don't peek, Henit.
Henit, slow. Look carefully. Good habit of observation.
Found you.
Teamwork is important. Pass the baton carefully.
I want to run fast.
Henit, hand over gently.
Okay, teamwork time. Mine is huge and messy. Henit, neat shapes make it prettier.
Both ideas together, best castle.
Yes, teamwork rocks.
Henit, don't overfeed. Animals need little at a time.
Oops, too many crumbs.
See, Henit, controlled feeding is better.
Okay, learning patience. Chips! Chips!
Healthy snack first, fun snack after.
Henit, look, fruits are yummy too. Okay, just a little chips later.
Hold the string tight. Watch the wind.
It's flying high. Henit, don't fly too fast.
Clean playground, El happy playtime.
Do we have to?
Yes, Henit. Team cleaning is fun. Once upon a time, in a magical park, teamwork made everyone happy.
Wow, I want to be like them. Listening carefully is also a good habit. I don't want to leave.
We'll come back, Henit. But remember, home time is important.
Yes, daily routine matters. Okay, see you, Park. What did we learn today? Teamwork, patience, and fun. And healthy habits, Aunty.
Exactly. Great champions. Proud of you both.